Welcome to Math Made Sense with Teacher K. For today's lesson, let's talk about factoring a perfect square trinomial. How do we know if a given polynomial is a perfect square trinomial? The first and last term should be perfect squares. It means you can take the square root of each term. And then the middle term is the product of the square root of the first and last term multiplied by 2. Like in this case, the square root of the first term is x, and the square root of the second term is y. X times y is xy. Xy times 2 is 2xy. And it's a perfect square trinomial if it has 3 terms. Same with the other illustration. So to find the factors of a perfect square trinomial, first take the square root of the first term, which is x, we have here, square root of the last term, which is y, and then just copy the first sign, which is positive, and then you square the factor. So this is the same as x plus y times x plus y. Same with the second one. Take the square root of the first one, which is x, square root of the second term, which is y, and then copy the first sign. And x minus y squared is the same as x minus y times x minus y. Let's have our examples. The square root of the first term is a, and the square root of the last term is 4. Thus, the first sign is positive, hence the factors would be a plus 4 times a plus 4. Number 2. Square root of the first term is x. Square root of 36 is 6. Hence, the factors would be x plus 6 times x plus 6. Now, let's have more activities. Find the factors of this perfect square trinomial. Square root of a squared is a. First sign is positive, so that is plus. Square root of the last term, which is 49, is 7. Hence, the factors would be a plus 7 times a plus 7. Number 2. Square root of the first term, square root of 9 is 3, and the square root of x squared is x. Copy the first sign, which is positive, and then the square root of 16 is 4, since 4 times 4 is 16. Hence, the factors would be 3x plus 4 times 3x plus 4. Number 3. Square root of the first term is tan y. Copy the first sign, which is minus. Square root of the last term, 49 is 7, and b squared is b. Hence, the factor would be 10y minus 7b times 10y minus 7b. Last one. Square root of m squared is m. First sign is minus, and then square root of 100 is 10. Hence, the factors would be m minus 10 times m minus 10. That's it for today's lesson. I hope you learned something. See you in the next one.